What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to get 4000 hours watch time easily, right? So you know that according to recent news of YouTube, we have to have 4000 hour watch time to get ads from YouTube. Many YouTubers, small YouTubers think that it is impossible to get, but I will say that it is possible. But how? I will show you now. First of all, you have to open your Google, right? Then you have to write tech news, okay? So I am going here CNBC website, right? Okay, it is loading. Wait a bit. Then you know that there are lots of news here, but you have to find out which is very much interesting to people. So I will search for tech news, right? uh, Tech news, that is, I will go to the social media news, right? Or well, social media, right? What is happening here? Okay. So Facebook attacked by cities over the fake news, okay? And Instagram user are prompting economic policy for pay. I have to find out the most important headline from this, and I will I will make the thumbnail by this line, right? Well, when people will see this line, they will be attracted, right? First of all, you have to remember that when you are going to make a video like this, you have to put the attracting part or words to the thumbnail, uh, of your video. So uh, so you can make a video like this. Facebook is sending, here is what means for your newsfeed. So you can make a video on this topic, right? And people will this is a trending topic, right? People will search it and watch your video. So the more people watch your video, the more watch time you will get. Well, I'm going to another app that is very much helpful for you to get most interesting news, right? Well, now I have to go to this app, Gadget 360, right? Okay, it is loading. Gadget 360. Okay. So what is happening here? Gadget 360. Okay, you see that this is top stories, right? Then recent stories, then review, then mobile. You can make video on the specification of the mobile, right? And it will help you to get more watch time. And then tablet app, you can make video on the new app, right? Cameras, uh, you can make videos about the price of cameras and their specification. Gaming, right? PC, laptops, home entertainment. So if you make video on these topics, it will help you to get more more watch time. Okay, now I will show you another app that will help you to get more watch time, right? Okay, so this is GSM Arena app. You will get app in the Play Store, right? I'm going to home here. Okay, so this is the these are the new phone that are releasing. So here you have to go to, okay, so Meizu M6s, I'm clicking here. So from here I see that here I see that Meizu M6 have some specification, right? So here is a, I have to copy it and make a video, right? When people search it, and if my video, uh, if they get my video and watch my video, then I will get watch time. So basically I will say to you that try to make blog on your tech channel or anything, right? That will help you to grow most, that will help you to get more watch time. uh, but I will tell you the calculation of getting 4,000 hour watch time. You know that to get 4,000 hour watch time, if you have a video of 2 minutes, right? And people watch it totally, then you need only 1,20,000 views, right? So this is not so hard. And I think the new monetization policy from YouTube will help the real creator, a real YouTube video creator, to earn more money. So try this way. I think you will be benefited. Thanks for watching this video. Be well.